Welcome to this special yoga practice designed to help you soothe and relieve menstrual cramps. My name is Bobby and I will be guiding you through this gentle and nourishing practice. Take a deep breath in and let's get started. Understanding menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps, also unknown as dysmenorrhea, are common symptoms experienced by many women during their menstrual cycle. The cramps are caused by the contraction of the uterus, which can be triggered by hormonal change and other factors. But the good news is that yoga can help alleviate these cramps and provide relief. Warm up and breathe. Before we begin, take a few moments to breathe deeply and relax. Feel the breath move and in and out of your body and allow any tension or stress to melt away. As you inhale, imagine fresh energy and oxygen flowing into your body. As you exhale, imagine any discomfort or pain leaving your body.